I think one of the things that keeps on evolving is this whole agent ecosystem. So we can maybe come back to it later on.
Okay.
But you kind of like the first thing when I was using is this Visual Studio Code, VS Code, kind of this agent mode. And you can just plug in any MCP servers in there and then really write in like the, like, hey, I'm having issue with my DNS kind of in Kubernetes, or you could say in a specific namespace, and then LLMs kind of picks the right tools. So in this case, what we are doing is that we're trying to map each of the gadget as an independent MCP tool. So for example, a DNS gadget would be mapped as a DNS MCP tool, and then MCP, like this VS Code agent, is able to trigger that, run that for like, we have a couple of options there. You can either continuously run it, or you can run it for like, take a real-time snapshot of like 30 seconds, and then really LLM just analyzes that. Or you could run that with some filters like, hey, keep the gadget running for like, I don't know, 24 hours, but in the background, but only look for slow DNS request, so that you can come back and then later on restart your VS Code agent mode and then ask it to, hey, did you find any slow DNS requests? And it actually comes back and tells you if there were like any slow DNS requests in the last day. So you can imagine it's like really exciting.